With KHON2 weather, Justin Cruz.
Tomorrow, cloudy, mostly dry, and still a bit gusty, especially in the heat of the afternoon. But the winds are going to begin to taper off as we head towards the weekend. Despite the fact that we had windy weather, it was beautiful weather today. Lots of sunshine and blue sky, and the threat of large surf for the east shores and strong winds still present. We have a wind advisory that takes us in through tomorrow morning. This is a big picture view of the Central Pacific. We have the islands here and a storm that's here, and it's basically going to draw up some moisture over the islands this weekend. And some of that rain could be heavy, so it's somewhat stalled. We have a lot of rain to the east and west of the islands. And when you take a closer look, we're in good shape pretty much until Friday. Things start moistening up on Friday, but it shouldn't be heavy rain. This is now Friday afternoon, maybe a wet Friday night. Saturday, the rain is more intense. This is now Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. We still have a wet situation Sunday at 1 in the afternoon. So the basic takeaway is this thing's going to stall over the islands and then just drape itself, pretty much continuing shower activity all the way through Wednesday. So it's going to be an extended period of somewhat wet weather, but most of it won't be heavy with the exception of this weekend. As far as our winds, we still have breezy trade winds tomorrow, so the winds are still 25 to 30 miles per hour. But again, gradual winds to the point where they're wiped out completely, and corner winds take over. The same time, we have a potential for heavy rain. That is Saturday and Sunday. Not much to show you on the radar. We do have some windward showers, but most of them are offshore, and for most areas, it remains on the dry end of the spectrum. Surf is kicked up for the east shores by strong winds. Really choppy stuff. 3 to 5 for the north, 2 to 4 south. West side 1 to 3 with a statewide small craft advisory. So things, again, moisten up Friday. Still a bit breezy and strong, those winds on Thursday. Heaviest rain Saturday and Sunday, and we'll get a shot of cool air Monday, Tuesday of next week. We'll have the highs in the mid 70s and lows approaching the mid 60s.